Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect file system to Claude AI. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open your Claude desktop app. If you don't have your Claude desktop app, download it from the web browser because this connection will only work on desktop app. Alright, now after opening the app, go on bottom left corner, click on your profile, and here go to settings. Okay, now go to connectors. Okay, so let me find the option. Okay, here under customize, click on connector. Now click on add on top, click on browse connectors, and here search file system. Here it is. So you have to type file system, no space in between. Click on it, file system, click on install, click on install, and after that your file system will be installed on your desktop. You can choose a specific folder, specific directory for Claude to work on, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.